If the Microsoft Store is not opening on your PC, or if you see a connection failure message after it opens, this video will show you an easy solution in just 2 steps. By following the instruction carefully, you will able to open the Microsoft Store on your PC. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, then type the code you see on the screen. I will also provide it in the description below, and press enter. After a few moments, the Microsoft Store should open automatically. If you still see a check your connection error, close the store once and try and open it again from the start menu. After opening Microsoft Store again, you will see an interface like this. Simply click on Update Now. After clicking, the store will close automatically and reopen within few seconds. It may take some time to load, but once it does, you can use the Microsoft Store as normal. These are some basic tips to help you quickly resolve the Microsoft Store issues. If you still encounter problems, please let me know in the comments and I will try to suggest another method to solve your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.